Hello, in this video I will tell you how you can change the default sorting option on all products collection page. This is Kashif Mahmood and you are watching KM Webbers. So here you can see we are under collection slash all page, which is the all products page on Shopify. So we want to change this sorting option and we want to set it to best selling. So if you want to set it up on any other sorting option, then you will be able to do that as well. So for that, we will have to go to the Shopify dashboard, and here you can see I am under Shopify dashboard, and here you can come to the products and collections. So here you see all of your collections. To edit the sorting option on the all products page, here when you will scroll down, you will not see the all collection. So to edit that, you will have to click on create collection. So this is a small hack that you can do to edit the sorting option on all products collection page. So here you can title it as all, scroll down, and here you can select smart, and now here you can click on any condition and you can just select a price, and here you can say 0 is greater than 0. So all of your products will show in the collection. Click on save and now click on view, and here you can see it's same collection slash all. You can also click on catalog and make sure. Here you can see it's the same collection, and here you can see that the sorting option is set to best selling. And when you go back, here you can see the sorting option. You can change it to anyone you like. So for example, if we want to show the lowest price first, then we can select that and we will go back to the collection page and we will click on refresh, and here you can see that sorting option is changed. So that's how you can change the default sorting option, and you can also change the title of this by just changing the name of this collection. So let's say all products over here, and the title will be changed on the front end, and we can refresh it, and here you can see that the title is changed and the link is same because the first time we named it all, and then you can change it to anything you like. If you want to change the URL, you can also click on this edit button, and here you can change the URL of the collection. So that's how you can change the sorting option on all products collection page. Like this video, leave a comment if you have any question, and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.